Okay, so today I'm going to be showing you guys what I did yesterday on this trailer. So the issue I was having was this would lift up and would come like here, but it wouldn't slide back. So this travel, you can see here, is actually it traveling through a channel. I'll show you that better here in a second. But basically what would happen is it would come up and it would just tilt, which pulls this bottom coupler out of the way a little bit, but not enough to get it in very easily. So then you'd have to hit it with a hammer until it would click down and in. Just wasn't really how it should be. So at first I thought maybe I could just clean it out a little bit. So that's why I tried it first, but that did not work. So then what I ended up doing was taking this pin and bringing it through. So once you pull that, this comes off. And so this here, this pin comes through and it is traveling in this channel that's here. Underneath, this piece here was really where the problem was. So when this piece wasn't being allowed to travel forward and back, so you can see where it's in the back position, that's the open position to receive the ball, and then it comes forward to lock it in place, but it couldn't travel backwards. I think at some point either somebody jackknifed this and it just dented in here a little bit somehow, but it just would not go back. It would just click right here and stop. So what I ended up doing actually was very mildly, you probably can see it a tiny bit, but not much. I just grinded down the edges of this a little bit. I then repainted it so that it wouldn't get rusty, put a little bit of marine grease on there so that it slid a little better. And then this just slides back and forth very easily now. Once everything dried up and was working well, then I just took this, which I also painted while I had it apart, and cleaned it up really well. This just slides up and in. This bolt threads back through. And then comes through. Now to get this back through, the best way I found to do it was to use a C-clamp, because you need to be able to press this bolt back in place. If you try and hammer it, it just bounces because the sides of the collar act like a spring. So by just using the C-clamp, able to bring this back through. And then just that easy, that's in there, and that's not gonna slide its way out. So it's something I'll keep an eye on because it might need to dent this back over some, just so that it don't have to worry about it coming back through, but I really don't think it's gonna be an issue. You have to hit it pretty hard to bring it through. But now it slides forward and back very easily, and hooking up to this is now, again, incredibly smooth, where before you needed a hammer. Now with a single finger, you can pull it back and then bring it back forward. So that's what I did yesterday.